Welcome, my dear friends. Shanti Ghosh videos. Today we'll discuss founders' income. When, how much? Is million US dollar, crores of rupees per annum possible or not? I'll give you data. I'll explain artificial intelligence, advanced digital marketing techniques, and many more. My dear friend, founders income. When you are telling no selling, no marketing, no team building, how it is possible to earn? Everybody is having question in mind. Moreover, company is telling 100% success, 100% done deal. In it to win it. My dear friend, let us understand internet world. 4.7 billion, that is 470 crores people are the active internet user out of 790 crores people, my dear friend. But few people are earning from internet. Founders, they are earning huge amount. There are founders of very big companies. Few days income itself is $1 billion, my dear friend. Even small company founders also earning. Affiliate marketers are earning huge amount based on their skill and knowledge and the experience level. Few bloggers and YouTubers earning quite a lot of money, and many people are earning. My dear friend, when common people are having no internet knowledge, how they will earn income? But internet world is very attractive. Online money is the keyword people are searching. My dear friend, it is possible through revolutionary business platform created by OnPassship to provide income opportunity to common people, to uplift humanity. Common, here you need not know internet, computer knowledge or marketing knowledge. It is through real business. It's time to build your business, my dear friend, OnPassship. By building business which will run on autopilot mode using most advanced technology, artificial intelligence. My dear friend, to be successful in internet business, most important thing, you should have a website, you should have traffic, you should have product, and you should have a skill, high conversion skill to convert traffic into a valuable customer, my dear friend. OnPassship, completely automated traffic driving phenomena designed to create wealth for you. Your website, it will be in your own name. It is AI powered, SEO optimized so that it will rank in search engines. It will have dynamic web pages, very attractive. People will be attracted towards your website, my dear friend. How traffic will be driving? It will be through a marketing campaign, email marketing, video marketing, tie up with companies specialized in traffic driving. My dear friend, your website will contain products upon OnPassship, 50 plus AI powered digital products having high value, high demand in the market, having many advanced features. It is most of the products are unique. My dear friend, it will have a high conversion rate. Our CEO and founder, Mr. Ash Mupari, is having excellent skill in very high conversion, and it will be backed up by our IT experts. My dear friend, you will have a website server. It will be most advanced server, cloud computing. It will have a advanced technology, most advanced technology, artificial intelligence. It will have advanced digital marketing techniques. My dear friend, your website, individual website for founders, it will be in your own name or whatever name you wish, except you cannot use on passive name in your website. My dear friend, it is SEO optimized, so it will rank in search engine, visible to targeted traffic. It will be rotated worldwide. There will be analysis from where traffics are coming. It will be tracked, and your website will be visible to those interested traffic, targeted traffic, my dear friend. The website will be created and operated and maintained by OnPassive. It will have products and its features. It's having facility of tracking, tracker, chatbot. Whatever prospective customers' queries, it will answer through AI-powered chatbot. It will have email marketing, bulk emailing facility. It will be used most advanced technologies for conversion to the customer, and targeted traffic will be converted through to customers using marketing funnels, most advanced funnels. My dear friend, your income will come through subscription and sales made through your website. So it's a real business, my dear friend. My dear friend, now founders income, when it will come? Everybody is having question in mind. My dear friend, all founders income will start from hard launch or public launch. Once the product is available to the public, and public, when they will buy the product through your website, your income will start. My dear friend, to withdraw the income, you should have paid the one-time product cost or subscription cost. It will be fixed by the company. It will be approximately $250 plus minus $50. So that amount will be known to you. My dear friend, some of the active founders who will able to add founders during soft launch period, they will earn bonus. This is the incentive, you can call it. And for those members, income will start from soft launch itself. But all founders, income will start after public launch. And every founder will be treated equally, whether he has joined on the last day, last moment. Everybody will be treated equal, and it will be through artificial intelligence, no discrimination, my dear friend. Now founder income, how much? Everybody is having question in mind. My dear friend, your earning will be in US dollar. So for Indian people, 73 times income. Even let us say you want $500, it is approximately 35,000 rupees, my dear friend. So $500 to $600. It will be around 35 to 40,000 rupees. There is sustainable income for many families, my dear friend. My dear friend, our on passive target, first year target to acquire 10 crores customers, 100 million customers, my dear friend. Acquisition will be through AI powered. Many advanced technologies will be used. Many advanced marketing techniques will be used. Funnel rotators. My dear friend, internet market potential in US dollar on passive product itself is present market value itself is more than $500 billion and it is growing, my dear friend. So you know the potential, my dear friend. Growth. What will be the growth of on passive as a company and its founder? On passive, unicorn is born, my dear friend. For your information, unicorn company, $1 billion. That is Indian rupees 7,500 crores in 10 years for startups. And on passive, super unicorn in making, that is $100 billion within 10 years, but it will be achieved within very short time. That is Indian rupees 7,50,000 crores, my dear friend. For founders, will have sustainable income, 2 million USD, that is Indian rupees crores per annum. It is possible, but how? This is a complex subject. I will upload videos separately. My dear friend, it will grow over period of time, and to earn million or crores of rupees, you have to do some extra things, my dear friend. Thanks a lot for active listening. Thanks.